competencies for hairdressing and C2. So, I am going to discuss the topic of 21st century basic competencies for hairdressing and C2. So, this presentation focuses on the important skill and competencies needed not only in hairdressing but also in today's modern workplace. So, this skill help learners becoming more competent professional and ready for real salon work. So, let's begin to our introduction. So, in this slide, it explained that the workplace today requires more than just technical skill. Workers must also have a 21st century competencies such as the communication, teamwork, and problem solving. And hairdressing, both a technical and non-technical skill, are important because they help improve the quality of service and client satisfaction. So, objectives. The objectives of this presentation are to identify the 21st century basic competencies for NC2. Second, understand each competencies. Third, explain how they apply to hairdressing and also recognize their importance in real work situation. So, let's proceed to the basic competencies. So, this slide po explain that the basic competencies are non-technical skill. So, this include the knowledge, skill, and attitude that can be applied in different jobs. So, these competencies are transferable, meaning they are useful not only in hairdressing but also in other careers and everyday life. So when it comes to the qualification level, qualification hairdressing NC2 superseded. So the NC2 focuses on performing skill tasks, working with minimal supervision and applying knowledge in real workplace situation. So hairdressing NC2 focuses on performing skill tasks within the minimal supervision. This means the learner should be able to apply what they have learned in actual workplace situation such as salon or beauty centers with confidence and also a responsibility. So when it comes to NC2, basic competencies, we have a many more, but I summarize this. We have a participate in workplace communication, work team environment, develop career and life decision, and also yung apply sustainable workplace practices. So when it comes of this po, so this slide lists the different basic competencies under the NC2. So this include the workplace, communication, teamwork, problem solving, career development, innovation, safety, and sustainability and entrepreneurial skill. So these competencies po help the learners becoming well-rounded and workplace ready. So now let's proceed to the workplace communication. As we have a involves exchanging the information clearly. The second one is includes listening, speaking, and understanding. So when it comes to application and hairdressing, we have a understanding client request, giving advice on hairstyles, explaining procedure and products. So, workplace communication is very important in hairdressing because it involves listening and speaking clearly. So, a hairstylist need to understand the client's request and explain the procedure and recommend the right product or hairstyle. And also when it comes to the teamwork and collaboration is we have a working effectively with others, supporting team members, and when it comes to application in hairdressing is we have a coordinating with co-stylist, assisting during busy salon hours, and also the maintaining good relationship in the salon. So in salon, teamwork is essential. hairdressers need to work well with the co-stylists with other staff members, especially during busy hours. So, good teamwork helps a maintain smooth operation and provide better service to clients. Next is the problem solving skills. So we have identifying their resolving workplace issues, marking decision effectively, and when it comes to application and hairdressing is fixing uneven haircut, adjusting wrong hair color, and handling customer compliance. So, this competency focuses on identifying and resolving workplace problem. For example, if the haircut becomes uneven or the hair color resort is not correct, the stylist should know how to fix it properly, and it is also includes handling customer compliance professionally. Next is the career and the life decision. Is we have a planning for future career growth, settings, personal and um, professional goals. So when it comes to application and hairdressing, is we have a becoming a professional stylist, opening a salon business, and the continuous learning of new trend. So the slides talk about planning for future growth. So, as hairdresser, it is important to set personal and professional goals such as becoming a licensed style, improving skill, or opening your own salon in the future. Next is workplace innovation. So we have a creating new ideas and improvements, adapting to trends and changes. So when it comes to application and hairdressing, is we have a creating modern hairstylists, using new techniques and tools, and following beauty trends. So um, the innovation means the creating new ideas and adapting to changes. So, in hairdressing po, this includes the following the latest hairstyle trends, learning modern techniques, and using new tools and products to improvement service. So when it comes to presenting relevant information is we have a sharing clear and accurate information. The second one is the communicating ideas and effectively. So when it comes to application and hairdressing is explaining hair treatments, recommending products and discussing style option with clients. So, this competency po is about sharing clear and accurate information. So, a hairstylist should be able to explain a treatments, recommend suitable hair products, and discuss style option with clients in a clear way. So when it comes to the occupational safety and health, so we have the following safety rules and procedures preventing accident and hazard. So yung application and hairdressing nito is the proper handling of chemical, sanitizing tools and equipment, maintaining cleanliness and the salon. So safety and health are very important in the salon or the other source because does include a proper handling of chemical sanitizing tools, maintaining cleanliness and following safety procedure to prevent accident and protect both the worker and the client. So when it comes to sustainable practices is we have the using resources efficiently and reducing waste. So, the application in hairdressing is the proper use of hair products, maintaining waters and electricity use and proper disposal of waste. So, this slide is focuses on the using resources wisely and hairdressing po. Sustainable practices include reducing product waste, minimizing water and electricity use, and the properly disposing of salon waste materials. Next is the entrepreneurial skill. So we have a skill for managing a business, decision making, and financial awareness. So when it comes to the application, and hairdressing is the opening a salon, managing clients and income, and marketing service. So entrepreneurial skill are important for those who want to manage or open their own salon businesses. So this include the decision making, budgeting, managing client, and promoting service to attract more customers po. So here are the importance of 21st century skill. Improve work performance, enhance professionalism, increase employability, and prepare for real workplace challenges. So this slide explain why these competencies are important po. So they help improve work performance, enhance professionalism, increase employability, and prepare learnings for real work challenges. In our conclusion, 21st century competencies are essential in hairdressing NC2 because they support both technical and practical skill. So these competencies po help the learners become competent, professional, and ready for real world salon environments. Thank you for listening. And we hope you learn the importance of 21st century basic competencies and hairdressing and C2. So again, I am Giancarlo Casalomod, your presenter for today. Thank you and God bless you all.